Power Integrations is introducing 900-volt GaN technology to its InnoSwitch3 family of power conversion ICs. The power switch in InnoSwitch3-EP can be selected with different voltage options. This allows you to pick the very best switching technology for your application, whether it's silicon, GaN, or silicon carbide. The addition of 900-volt GaN further increases the range of options for the user. Silicon switches are very efficient, but get increasingly large as their voltage rating increases. And at 900 volts, the maximum size device we can fit into a power package limits the output power from a silicon 900-volt primary switch to perhaps 35 watts. With GaN, we are able to increase the output power to over 100 watts, whilst also increasing efficiency, making cooling more straightforward and eliminating heat sinks. This means that 900-volt GaN devices can deliver up to 100 watts in server applications for auxiliary power without the need for heat sinks. InnoSwitch3-EP with the new 900-volt GaN makes design easy. It allows the engineer to pick the best technology for their application, and we take care of controlling the switching of the power switch with a voltage rating which is ideal for that application. To find out more, visit us on the web at power.com.